So tell me, what is the deal between you and this contractor, brother? Because you seem to be busy making enemies.
Don't worry about that. I have him under control.
That is when I worry. When you say, don't worry.
You want me to go legitimate, right? Well, construction is one of those ways to do it. You see that brother there? He might try shut me out in every bid we go after. So me have to make an example of him.
So isn't this an old school friend?
We went to the same school for a short while, yes. But then I realized him wasn't my friend.
Just be careful how you approach this. It can't be loud.
Just leave this to me. Me deal with it.
Okay, feed the vampire. Just keep it quiet.
No worry. I got this.
Okay, I throw Mullins off of your case already. So once him realize that nothing no come on the cargo ships, he's gonna start watching again.
How we deal with that?
But tell him say I'm about to infiltrate your organization. So that is why I want to keep him close. Just keep a low profile.
Alright. Sounds good. I'm gonna play it your way for now. Just keep Mullins away from me. And give me some space, yeah? To deal with that contractor brother there.
Deal. Now, can I go and see my niece?
Sure.
We must get big too.
You're right. And your cuz. Send all that information to my phone. Me need to link my bridge and deal with what up on the hill. Alright?
Do that. Yeah, man.
Alright, respect. When you get that message, just give me a link. I have some information on what happened up top. So, I'm going to reach your side in about an hour. The same bar. So, link up.